Hello Xelluxers, easy and efficient way to apply conditional formatting to format your data. Let's dive in. First and foremost, let's highlight our data. That is step 1. Step 2, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell, and we are clicking on greater than. So what we want here is we want to pick any cells that is greater than 99.99%. Why? You'll see why. Let's type 99.99%. You can see it only picked 100% in our data. Do you see that? So any number that is actually greater than 99.9%. Now, since it chooses 100%, you can see that it's actually red. So we'll change the red color to green. So we are done with that. Let's click on OK. So go to conditional formatting again. No need to click outside. You can just click outside. In case you click, I'll just highlight it again. It's already highlighted. So I'll go again and click on conditional formatting. Then I'll click on highlight cell. This time around, I'm not choosing greater than. I'm choosing any number that is less than 99.9%. So let me do that. 99.99%. So any number that is 99.99% should be light red fill with dark red, like that. You know what I'm talking about. So are you ready? Let's see how this will go. Okay, Z. So you can see now you actually use greater and less than to actually format our data. Easy and efficient way. Don't worry. Ask your boss. You need to rest. Enjoy your day. I'll say like, share, and subscribe. Remember, drop your comments. That is Xellux Technology for you. Light out.